Henry, can I use the blue marker? No, I'm using it.
Who can tell me one good classroom manner?
May I answer?
Yes, Lily.
We should listen when someone is speaking. That's easy. Henry, please don't laugh at me. Oh, you pushed me. I didn't. Come on, Lily. We're gonna be late. Wait for me.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss Anna. Morning.
Class, we have a new student today. His name is Noah.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Noah. There's an empty seat over there.
Today, we're going to learn about classroom manners.
This is boring. Henry.
Henry, please wait until I'm finished speaking.
But I don't want to listen. We should listen to our teacher.
Who can tell me one good classroom manner?
May I answer?
Yes, Lily.
We should listen when someone is speaking. That's easy. Henry, please don't laugh at me.
Henry, we need to respect others. Why do we need good manners?
Because we want everyone to feel respected.
I think we need a little classroom manners challenge.
A challenge? What kind of challenge?
You'll find out after lunch.
I'm back! Please walk slowly, Henry.
Are you ready for our manners challenge?
Yes! What do we have to do?
These are our 3 rules.
I can do that. That's easy.
First, you must ask your partner for a book politely. Henry, ask Lily for this book.
Give me the book. Try saying please. Fine. Give me the book, please. Here you are. Okay.
Henry, what should you say now?
What?
You received something from Lily.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Now it's Lily's turn.
Henry, may I please borrow your ruler? Sure. Thank you. You didn't get angry. Why would I? Being polite is better than being angry.
Now, work together.
I want these! Can I have that piece? No! Henry, we need to share. Okay, you can use them.
Much better. Today, you will make one big poster together.
That sounds fun! I'm gonna make the biggest part. Henry, can I use the blue marker? No, I'm using it. Henry, you can share it. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! You pushed me! I didn't. Wait, nobody pushed you.
Henry, did you knock the cup over?
Yes.
Thank you for telling the truth.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have blamed you. It's okay. Let's clean it together. I'll help. Here. Thank you for helping. Can I use the green marker? Sure, here you are. Thank you. You're welcome.
Henry, I noticed something.
What?
You're listening, sharing, and saying thank you.
I'm trying, and you're doing a good job.
Class, it's time for the final manners challenge.
I'm ready! Me too!
Someone drops their books. What should you do?
I would help them.
Excellent! Henry, what would you do? I would help. Very good.
Thank you. Oh no! Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Why are you clapping? Because you were polite. Oh.
Today, everyone learned something important. But our Manners Challenge winner is Henry!
Me? Won! You did it! Why did I win?
Because you changed your behavior. You listened, you shared, you said sorry.
I understand now. Lily, thank you for helping me. You're welcome. You were right. Being polite feels good, doesn't it? Yes! Being rude can hurt people's feelings. But being polite can make someone smile. Say please. Say thank you.